Oh man, I gotta
Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Nick, driver.
You got it. Yeah, I appreciate you. Man, how many drives have I done up in this canyon where, I'm listening to what I want to hear, like Beastie Boys are playing, I got my electronic music going. This is the first, dude. This is rad.
Right on. This is so much fun.
I was just hitchhiking on the way to some steamboat gig, and this big white van picked me up. Turns out they had a whole camera crew and audio engineer inside. So here we are at the Nokhu Crags.
It is
making a video.
Well, like he just said, let's take a quick peek at what we're talking about right there. Boom. So yeah, we are atop the Cameron Pass. Nokhu Crags. This is a spot that any local Coloradoan would know about as an epic place to hang out. Check it out. Skied all the time directly south of South Diamond Peak, North Diamond Peak. Michael Kirkpatrick, Fort Collins, Colorado, is his local residence. He's a singer-songwriter all of his own, and he also is the band head and lead singer of Violet Pilot. Yeah. Is that right?
Yes, it is. That's right. Where are you, Violet Pilot?
Well, I hear one of your guys has got himself into a new family setup. He's, my understanding, he just had a baby. Who was that?
That was Sean McCauley, our drummer. He is populating the universe right now with his energy. Wow, the wind just picked up.
It's changing on us. And so the funny thing is like I had said before, like we tried to do this, like it said it was going to be Bluebird, it's going to be a beautiful day up here.
It is Bluebird.
But, we really, as Coloradoans, we really should have understood that, we are literally in the gully of the wind channel that feeds Rocky Mountain National Park. So to have come up here and expect no wind is naive and geriatric of us. So I apologize for any of that. But it's kind of fun though, Michael. I mean, you're out there right now. You got the wind blowing your hat. Should we hold that hat for you? You're gonna.
I think it's gonna be okay. I'm all right with it. This guy named Lanny down in Walden came up and over the pass to Mishawaka to see me play one time, and after the show, he gave me this hat. He said, "This would look better on you." So he gave it to me, and I'm like, wow, man. Yeah, cool. Good gift.
It's a good-looking hat right there. So, all right, we just had ourselves about an hour session heading up the hill in the BeeHive BandWagon, getting some groove on as the wheels turned, and we finally made it to our destination. We've tried to do this spot 100 times, and we finally said, let's send it. It's windy. It's a little chilly. Your hands are going to start freezing, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get to our event here, and that is Mr. Michael Kirkpatrick in the house with his tunes, and I got to tell you, I'd say I'm pretty stoked to move forward.
Hell yeah. Okay. I was going to say, let's wait 1 minute for the wind to die down, but
it's not going to happen.
It's not going to happen. This is a song called Back to Colorado. If you find my heart, bring it back to Colorado and leave it on the front porch of my one true love. If you find my eyes, be free to read me and listen to the story I didn't know how to tell. I got lost, torn apart and scattered, but it don't really matter. I'm the earth's fuck. I already fucked up the words in it.
It's totally fine. It's totally fine. There's no.
I've never had to do that before. Yeah, I have.
You know what? That's kind of fun.
lie.
That's fun, right? I mean, it's not necessarily what you're looking for, but hey, man, the only judgment out here are those trees, and they're just blowing in the wind, bro.
Here we go. All right, from the top. Back to Colorado.
Mm-hmm.
If you find my heart, bring it back to Colorado and leave it on the front porch of my one true love. If you find my mind, be free to read me and listen to the story I didn't know how to tell. I got lost, torn apart and scattered, but it don't really matter. I'm the earth's to keep. Notify my kin that I'm never coming home. Forever I will roam in your sweetest dreams. If you find my eyes, take a good look at your lover, and you will discover that smile so big. If you find my legs, won't you climb any mountain, the one you've had your eyes on since your crawling days? I got lost, torn apart and scattered, but it don't really matter. I'm the earth's to keep. Notify my kin that I'm never coming home. Forever I will roam in your sweetest dreams. If you find my ears, won't you point them at the forest and listen for the holler calling you to be free? If you find my hands, keep a mandolin at reach, squeeze an overripe peach, grab your boyfriend's feet, 'cause I got lost, torn apart and scattered, but it don't really matter. I'm the earth's to keep. Notify my kin that I'm never coming home. Forever I will roam in your sweetest dreams. If you find my heart, bring it back to Colorado and leave it on the front porch of my one true love.